After failing at this at least 20 times, I finally found the secret that works every time. Let's make some pearl strand balloons. I love how these add some extra magic to my daughter's mermaid balloon garland. Take a 260 balloon or a long entertainer balloon and fill it halfway. It's going to end up looking like this. Pinch off a section about 1 inch and twist 5 times to secure your first pearl. Now place that pearl firmly in between your ring finger and your pinky of your left hand, like it's a diamond ring there. Lock it there and don't let it go. Pinch off another section and twist with your right hand, again 5 times to secure. Pinch with your left, twist with your right. Make sure that the whole time you're twisting this balloon, that first pearl is secure between your ring finger and pinky, and make sure you don't let it go or your balloon will unravel. Continue the same way down the length of your balloon all the way to the end. You could use these for so many different balloon garlands: mermaid theme, princess theme, coquette, or something unique like Tiffany & Co. See the caption for how to insert them into your garland, and follow along to see the rest of our mermaid party.